Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials, 3-5 core messages, and a clear call to action. Once done, open PowerPoint and set the 16:9 layout so visuals scale correctly. Make sure to apply a single master slide to keep fonts and spacing consistent. Import your logo and brand images into the media library because reusing assets saves time. You should also pick a simple font pair for headings versus body text, so the audience reads faster and you keep visual. Now you construct the main deck. Start by outlining one slide per key message. This avoids clutter and keeps timing predictable. Once the outline exists, replace long text with a simple chart, icon, or a single supporting image. Visuals anchor ideas faster. Make sure to use built-in chart tools and consistent color mapping so numbers remain clear. When adding transitions or animations, choose subtle emphasis and short durations. Too many effects distract. Finally, rehearse slide timing to align with your spoken script. Finish by rehearsing in slide show mode and set slide timings to control pace. Once done, export both PDF and PPTX so you have a fail-safe format. Make sure fonts are embedded and videos play offline. You should also compress media if file size is large, and test the deck on the exact projector or laptop you'll use. If something fails, first check fonts and media paths, relink or embed assets, and then fall back to the PDF version because it preserves layout reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.